Welcome to the frontier of human potential. We are entering an era where our biology is no longer fixed, but malleable, upgradable. This is a story about those who refuse to wait for evolution. They are taking their destiny into their own hands, merging biology with technology. What if you could enhance your memory, feel electromagnetic fields, or simply eliminate the risk of disease? What if you could upgrade your own body? This movement is called biohacking. At its core, it is DIY biology, leveraging science, technology, and self-experimentation to enhance human physical or cognitive abilities. From individuals using microimplants to unlock doors, to those optimizing their brain chemistry for peak performance, biohacking is transforming ordinary people into enhanced individuals. But what drives someone to become a biohacker? The motivations are profound and diverse, ranging from the purely practical to the radically philosophical. For many, it begins with optimizing health. They use personalized nutrition, advanced supplements, and constant biometric data tracking to achieve unparalleled longevity and well-being. For others, it's about human extension, overcoming the inherent limitations of biology. They seek to enhance their senses and cognitive capabilities, pushing the boundaries of what it means to be human. The methods biohackers use are as varied as their goals, utilizing both simple, accessible tools and cutting-edge implant technology. On the low-tech end, many focus on rigorous self-tracking, analyzing sleep, diet, heart rate variability, and genetic data to fine-tune their internal systems. Then there are the high-tech body modifications, tiny chips under the skin that enable contactless payments, open smart locks, or even magnetic implants that allow one to perceive electromagnetic fields. But where does self-improvement end and risk begin? The biohacking movement is rife with ethical debates and serious safety concern. The ethical dilemma often revolves around fairness. Will these powerful enhancements only be accessible to the wealthy, creating a biological divide between the haves and the have-nots? Safety is paramount. Many procedures are DIY and unregulated, risking infection, device failure, and unknown long-term health consequences when bypassing established medical protocols. Looking ahead, biohacking suggests a dramatic trajectory for the human species. What future awaits us as the line between man and machine blurs? This convergence fuels the transhumanist vision, a future where technology is used to fundamentally change the human condition, extending our lives and capabilities indefinitely. Imagine radical life extension becoming routine, or cognitive leaps that make today's genius seem rudimentary. This is the potential scale of biohacking's impact. We stand at a crossroads. Should we accept our biological limitations or seize the tools to redesign ourselves? Biohacking forces us to confront uncomfortable questions. What does it mean to be human when the ability to modify our own nature is within reach? The future of human evolution may not be slow natural selection, but rapid, deliberate engineering. How will you decide to shape your own biological destiny?